Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're looking at C again. So basically this project has been doing not that good, as you can see here. So the price action is not doing that good either. If we look at BTC and Ethereum and others, they have done pretty well. And as for this coin, this has just gone from 14 cent to as high as 25 cents. So in this video we'll see what is happening with this coin and whether it has any potential to go up or not as of now. So looking at its overall rank, as of now it is at 89th. As you can see here, it is right between, we have Rocket Pool, ETH, and we have Story IP, and it has a market cap of 1.2 billion, which is a massive market cap because it is a layer 1, so it does have a pretty high demand, as you can see here. So first of all, looking at what is happening with the C, they have had a pretty big updates. As you can see here, they had a new strategic advisor. After that, they had C Labs proposes EVM only architecture in recently launched governance framework. They also had um, uh, blueprint for shaping the fastest layer 1. That was something that they had going on, and they also had CETF filing as well from the Canary Capital, as you can see here. And they also had something called the path to 50x improvements on the EVM. And the biggest one is this one, I think. C Labs raises 30 million to build the layer 1 for trading. So if we look at overall layer 1 for trading, we have Hyperliquid, and it has been doing pretty good, as you can see here. And even if you look at Hyperliquid, it is mostly in the gainer. As you can see, it has a market cap, its price is at around 36 35 36, and it has a massive market cap of 11.9 billion, as you can see here. And it is trading or decentralized exchange, you can see here, and it is a layer 1. So the C is building layer 1 for the trading, and I think that could be a pretty massive one. We'll have to wait and see, but I think that is going to be a massive one. After that, they had Foresight Ventures bring C ecosystem fund to 120 million, as you can see here. And again, we also had C raises around 5 million. This is back in 2022, as you can see here. So as of now, we have these are the ecosystem apps, and these are the ecosystem apps, as you can see here. And so I think I just did a wrong analysis on this one. It is a layer 1 trading, but it is not that successful as Hyperliquid, so that is not good. So I think there are a lot of DApps, you can say, in the C ecosystem that are trading, you can say, trading platforms, as you can see here. And even if we look at the DeFi of the C, it is massive and it is growing rapidly. So that is another thing that I think is a pretty positive for the C, as you can see here. It is in the uptrend, so I think overall this is a massive success for the C, that it has received tons of DeFi adoption, as you can see here. And if we look at the stable coins market cap, it has been going down in C ecosystem. That's not good. And the DEX volume is around 22.6, and overall there are a lot of new projects that are gaining a pretty good attraction in the C ecosystem. So they also have something called C Research Initiative, as you can see here. So I'm not going in depth on what it does. So the most important thing that I want to talk about is this one. So we have the token unlock for the C. As you can see here, every month we get some token unlocks that includes team tokens, private sale investors, strategic allocation as well. So that means C is getting a pretty good sell pressure monthly, and I think that could be the reason why the price is in the downtrend. So let me just remove this one. Okay, so if you look here, in the longer trend, the price is in the downtrend. So I think that has to do with the token unlocks. So I think we could actually go. If we look here, I'll just come to chart a bit later. So if we look here, we have a monthly sell pressure happening every month, and that could be the reason why C has been struggling a lot to actually break its market cap. And even if we look at its peak market cap, it was around 2.6 billion or around 3 billion. And if you look here, recently it has struggled a lot and it is around 1.2 billion. So it did actually hit a new all-time high in market cap, but if you look at its price, it did not hit new all-time high. So I think that has to do with increase in supply. So that is what it is. So I think in the long term, at least for now, let's see, is going to be in the downtrend. So as of now, if it does start to go up, I think we do have a pretty we could have run till 48 cent, and I think that is when we will most likely see a continued downtrend. But I think once C breaks this downtrend, I think we could see higher levels getting retested. But as of now, it is unclear where the market is headed, and it is unclear whether the market has peaked or not. So if let's say that the Bitcoin has peaked, we will most likely see a massive bleed from else. So hopefully, I think we will make a new high and Bitcoin could hit 120k. But if it does go down, the biggest losers will most likely be altcoins that also include C as well. So as of now, even if you look here, it was around 28 cent and the BTC just went. So as you can see here, although the BTC was going up, the C went down. As you can see here, it went from 27 cent to as low as 21. And again, I think we will most likely continue to go up as of now. This seem just a second, let it load. Okay, so I think we are in an uptrend if you look at hourly. So I think we will most likely continue to go up, but we do need to break this 29 and 27 cent level. But again, it is unclear where the market is headed. So if the market goes down, I think the C will most likely go down. There are some alts that are going up, and I think that has to do with overall hype around them and some kind of news that they have. But as for the C, I think either we need some kind of big news, or we need overall market to go up so that the C can recover. But overall, I think this coin is in the downtrend, and I think if it does go up, we have a massive resistance around 48 cents. So we'll have to wait and see what happens. Anyways, this was it. I hope you liked the video. I will be back with more. Thanks for watching.